revision of a system of linear equation in two variables, in which we have gone through certain real examples by understanding the basic concept of the equation in one variable. For example, I will revise whatever we have done in our last lecture, that is ax plus b is equal to 0. So this is a equation in one variable in the sense here our variable was unknown, which is to be found, and we take it as x or y or m or n, depends. So here what we have done in our last lecture, we have found the value of x first, that is ax is equal to minus b, and after that, as we know that the number on left hand side is in the form of multiplication, so after taking it to the right hand side, it will take its division form. Okay, so this is general form, actually general form to find value of one variable if equation is given. Here a and b are supposed to be a constant. So this we have done, and after that we have gone through linear equation in two variables. So I have told you that one equation can have many solutions. For an example, x plus y is equal to 10. So we have told that there are many solutions for this given equation in two variables. Two variables means these variables are unknown, which is to be determined. X and y, these two are unknown values. If we are going to keep x as 0 and y as 10, so it is going to satisfy the equation. Solution means the equation which satisfy the given system of equation, means left hand side should be is equal to right hand side after substituting the value. That is called as solution. So this is the one solution. Next is 1, 9. Next is 9, 1. These two are two different solutions. 1, 9 is not equal to 9, 1. So they look similar because value of x is 1, value of y is 9. Next time value of x is 9 and value of y is 1. They are satisfying the given condition, but these are two different solutions for the same equation. Similarly, 8, 2, 2, 8, 7, 3, 3, 7, 4, 6, 6, 4, 5, 5, and so on. Again, you're going to write 5, 5, and that is same. 5, 5 is same as 5, 5. Means a, b is equal to b, a, if and only if this is true, only if a is equal to b. Means you can say that 1, 1 is same as 1, 1 only if a and b both are same. This is a condition for the coordinates to be equal. Okay, so even this we have done, and after that we have solved two equations simultaneously. Why we have solved two equations simultaneously? Because these all are having different values. This all line, throughout the line we are having different values, but only one point is common between these two lines. Say this line is L1, this line is L2, where they meet at this point. Say they meet at a, b. So this is the only point which satisfies both the equations simultaneously. Means it is a common solution for both, and hence it is called as a solution of line L1 and L2 when they are solved simultaneously. I hope you have understood this. So let's start with, as I have told you that in coming lecture we'll start with practice set 5.1. So this was the basic which is to be revised and which is to be like, you should know it properly so that you can understand whatever we are doing in our practice set. Okay, so let's start with practice set 5.1. Practice set 5.1. So now, what is given? By using variables, hope everyone is having textbook in front of them. If you don't have, please keep it so that you can go through. By using variables x and y, form any 5 linear equation in 2 variables. Very simple. Just try to understand the question. Using variables, you have to use x and y. If they're asking you to use x and y, never use any other variable, which creates a very bad impression. Even though your solution is correct, will not be giving you marks, as they have clearly mentioned you have to use x and y. Form any 5 linear equations in 2 variables. Linear means you can't form this. Is this linear? X plus ax plus y is equal to 0. No, it is not linear. Why? Because we are having degree as 2. Any degree other than 1 is never a linear equation. Please remember, as we are doing it in terms of 2 variables, this always should be of this form: ax plus by plus c equal to 0, or sometimes you can write ax plus by is equal to d. No issues. You can write the constant term on right hand side. So we will try to frame it. I hope you have understood. We have to form the 5 different linear equation in these 2 variables. So let's write the solution for the given question. Remember one thing, as I've told you, any variable other than degree 1 is never a linear equation, because linear says, as they're having a degree, linear means degree 1, and after that quadratic means degree 2, cubic is degree 3, etc. and so on. And after that comes quartic, conic, and polynomials. So you should remember, whenever we are talking about linear, means it should have degree 1. Regardless of the number of variables present. Right now we are dealing with 2 variables, so we are going to concentrate on that. Both the 2 variables should have degree 1. Solution 1. Let x and y be the two variables. Okay, so they're asking us to find. So therefore, 5 different linear equations in 2 variables are as follows. You can use your own brain and just try to help you out. You can create, it's not compulsory that whatever I am writing you should write. Just try to understand and you can create your own 2, 500, 200, or how much you feel like that you have to create. Just this is an example, 5 different examples. So first example is I can take 3x plus 2y is equal to 10. So this is my first equation. First equation, why it is linear? Because degree of x is 1, degree of y is also 1, and why it is in 2 variables? Because I'm having only 2 unknowns, x and y. So hence it is in 2 variables also, and it is linear as well. Second, you predict what you can write. You can write 4x minus 7y is equal to say 21. This is my second system of linear equation in two variable. As we are writing more than one, so we'll be calling it system. If we are writing only one, so just write linear equation in two variable. And if we are writing more than, you can write equations. Next, you can write as 5x plus y is equal to 9. It's not compulsory. I'm repeating it again and again that whatever I am writing, you should write. But you should be able to create the linear equation into variables by yourself. This is an example, just a helping hand so that you can understand. Fourth, minus x minus y equal to 8. Fifth, minus x plus y equal to 1. Yeah, this all are different. As we can see that all are different linear equation in two variables. Hope you have understood. So let's rub this. Now we'll move to second question. Solve the, sorry, that is third one. Question number 2 is write 5 solutions of equation x plus y is equal to 7. So we will write given linear equation in two variables. Is x plus y is equal to 7. To find its 5 solutions. To find its 5 solutions. As we don't know the solution, we need to find the 5 different solutions right now. But we know that which number will satisfy the condition. Which two numbers will satisfy the condition? You have to select any two numbers and substitute at the place of x and y on left hand side, so that you should get answer as 7. So please tell, try to understand, try to create your own ideas, try to create your own numbers which will satisfy this condition. As I've told you and as I've explained you in our last lecture as well as earlier today, we have many solutions. First, 0, 7 will satisfy, 7, 0 will satisfy, 1, 6 will satisfy, 6, 1 will satisfy, 5, 2 will satisfy, 2, 5 will satisfy, 4, 3 will satisfy, 3, 4 will satisfy, dot, 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 and many other solutions. Even you can take negative values as well. It's not like we always have to take positive values. You can take 8. You can take 8. You can take minus 1. 8 minus 1 is 7. Yes, correct. After that, you can take 9 minus 2. You can take minus 2, 9. Yeah, this all satisfies the condition. So we'll be taking bit different solutions. Let's see. So we observe that x equal to 9, y equal to -2. X equal to 9 and y equal to -2 will satisfy the condition. That is, observe that with x equal to 9, y equal to -2, that is x plus y is equal to value of x is 9, value of y is -2, which is 7. Or else, if you don't want to write all those statements, you can directly make a table, even that I will be giving you, which will satisfy the condition of the 7. This is a one example. In order to understand, if you will revise it whenever you like, you have to go through and you have to understand what we have done. So this will make you understand. But in case you find it if statements are a bit difficult, or we are having more simpler solution, so yeah, even we have that solution, we can do that. I'm elaborating so that you can understand it properly, and whenever you revise it after reading the statements, you will be able to understand. So some more examples, you can take it as 10 or -10, you can take -10 and y as 17. So by using the condition of x plus y, which is 10 minus -10 plus 17, will give you answer as 7. So this I'm giving you two examples. Now let's write the solution in table format so that you will get the solution directly. This was for your understanding. Here you can write x, here you can write y, here you can write x plus y equal to 7 directly. So we want since we want 5 different values, so write here serial number. So here you can write 1, 2, and 3, 4. For 1, we can select as I've done 9, and here -2, which is 7. Next time, what we have selected, -10, 17, which is 7. After that, 7, 0, which is 7. And fourth, you can select it as -3, 10, which is also 7. And last is this you should select. As you can see, substituting these values in left hand side, you will be getting a right hand side. If any of the condition that if you're substituting the value, you're not getting the right hand side, means you can't select that, and it is not a solution because it is not satisfying the given condition. So 9 minus 2 is 7, minus 10 plus 17 is 7, 7 plus 0 is 7, minus 3 plus 10 is 7. Negative, positive will be doing negative part, but taking a sign of positive number. Positive number, why? Because it is largest. If I'm going to write 3 minus 10, the answer will be -7 instead, which is wrong. It will not do. So one more, what you can take? You can take 8, you can take -1, which is 7. Done. So we have completed solution of second one as well. Now we'll be doing a solving part in which we are having 6 problems. So let's see how much we cover. Yeah, everyone. So as we can see, question number 1. Question number 1 is done. Question number 2 is done. We are starting with question number 3. In that, solution of first one. So solve the following sets of simultaneous equation. So given equations are, we are right. Given equations are, first equation is x plus y is equal to 4. So this is my equation number 1. Next is 2x minus 5y is equal to 1. So this is my equation number 2. Now they're asking ki find that value. Solve means find that value. Okay. Find that value which will satisfy both the equation in two variables simultaneously. Means find their point of intersection. Okay. So by observation, can you find which value will satisfy the equation simultaneously? Just think. You need to think. Yeah, you can find, no doubt, but it will take time. So better, there is a simple method which they have given in our textbook, elimination method. We'll be solving this by elimination method. What do we mean by elimination method? We have to eliminate one of the variables out of 2. So how to eliminate now? Here we can see in first equation, presence of x and y. Coefficient is 1 and right hand side is 4. So as you are going to eliminate the variable, you need to concentrate here on variable, that is on left hand side. Here we are having in second equation 2x and 5 minus 5y. So what we will be doing, if we multiply equation 1 by 5, equation 1 by 5, what we will get? We will get 5x plus 5y is equal to 5 fours are 20. So as we got variables y with same coefficient, we can just add them because they are having opposite sign and they get cancelled. And what remains x? So now our equation gets converted to single variable and which can be found. And then after that, substituting any of the equation, you will get the required answer. So let me solve this for you. So I have made you understand the concept, what we are up to and what we are going to do stepwise. First, we will be making any one of the variables with their coefficient same. I took y. If somebody says, you know, sir, I want to make coefficient of x same. So yeah, you can do that, no issues. You just multiply it by 2. So you'll be getting 2x plus 2y is equal to 8. And after that, in earlier sums, we have made coefficient of y same. But now what we are doing? We are doing coefficient of y same. We have made a coefficient of y same. Now we are doing coefficient of x same. So, and after that, since in this part, the sign was opposite, we added them. But if sign is same, what we need to do? We need to subtract, which we'll be seeing in next examples. So let's solve this first. Multiplying equation 1 by 5 on both sides. We get, what do we get? 5 into x plus y is equal to 5 into 4. So hope this step is clear to you. Now, you know, as you have done polynomials, you just need to multiply this. So 5 into x plus 5 into y is equal to 5 fours are 20. So therefore, this is 5x plus 5y is equal to 20. So we got new equation after multiplying. As it is having a different coefficient, we'll give it another number. That is equation number 3. So now what we will do? We will, as coefficient of y is same with opposite sign, we can add them. If we will add, we can take rid of this variable. This is the only funda. Funda in the sense fundamentals, which is to be followed. So we'll be writing adding equation 2 and 3 we get. Equation 2 and equation 3 we get. What do we get? 5x plus 5y is equal to 20. And this was equation number 3. Equation number 2 is 2x minus 5y is equal to 1. Just add them. If we will add, the sign remains same. No changes. Just add them. 5 plus 2 is 7. Along with them, we are having x. 5 plus 5y minus 5y gets cancelled. So plus 0y is equal to 20 plus 1 is 21. So therefore, what do we get? 7x is equal to 21. As we are having 7 in the form of multiplication on left hand side, just take it to the right hand side, it will take the form of division. So therefore, x is equal to 21 divided by 7. 7 ones are 7 threes are. Therefore, x is equal to 3. We got the value of x as 3. Now, they are asking us to find a common solution for both the equations. We got the value of x. Now, how to get the value of y? You can select any of the equations, substitute and get the answer. So I'll be selecting equation number 1. Substituting x equal to 3 in equation 1, we get. So our equation was x plus y equal to 4. So instead of x, I'm writing 3 plus y is equal to 4. Hope you all have understood this. So therefore, y is equal to 4 minus 3y, because 3 was having a positive sign on left hand side. I'm taking 3 to right hand side. So it took a negative sign. So 4 minus 3 answer is 1. So therefore y equal to 1. Very simple. Just understand. And after that, execution can be done easily to understanding whenever addition or subtraction is required. If they're having opposite sign, then you have to do addition. If they're having same sign, you have to subtract. If I'm giving you two numbers, say A and B, they're having same value. So I want answer 0. What you will do? You will do A minus B. Yes, good. And when we are having two numbers having same value with opposite sign, what you will do? You will add to in order to get answer 0. So this is the only concept that we are using here. We are making them same, means same coefficient. With if they're having opposite sign, we are adding. If they're having same sign, we'll be subtracting. Let's do one example in which the coefficient of variables will be having same sign. So there we are going to subtract. So one final statement is required. So therefore, x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 1 is the solution of equation 1 and equation 2. EQN is a short form for equation. Shorthand notation. Okay. We'll do another example. So now let's do, as we can see in second one, they're having opposite sign, but it's on us. What we're going to do. Let's solve third problem. Solution third. Given equations are given equations are 3x minus 5y is equal to 16. Equation number 1, x minus 3y is equal to 8. Equation number 2. So now, if I've decided that I'm going to take rid of variable x first, so we can see that here in equation number 2, variable x is having coefficient as 1. So in order to get same coefficient as equation number 1 of variable x, what we will do? We will multiply by 3. Multiplying equation 2 by 3 on both sides we get we'll get 3 into x minus 3y is equal to 3 into 8. We need to open the bracket. So this is 3 into x minus 3 into 3y is equal to 3 8s 24. Therefore, 3x minus 9y is equal to 24. This is my equation number 3. Now, observe equation 1 and equation 3. What is the similarity? Similarity is with coefficient of x, that is 3, 3. Both are same, but sign is also same at the same time. So here, what we need to do, adding will not work. Adding will not work. You need to subtract. So subtracting equation, you can take either subtracting equation 1 from 3 or 3 from 1. What should I do? I will subtracting 1 from 3. Subtracting. Equation 1 from equation 3, we get 3x minus 9y is equal to 24. Three x minus 5y is equal to 16. So after subtracting, I'm taking a sign of subtraction. So minus, this minus will become plus, and here it is plus, so it will become minus. So sign changes of second equation. Huh? This is my, here it is, I'm talking about these two equations. This is first, second. So sign of second equation changes. You can see after taking a minus sign. As we know, if we are having a plus b in bracket and having minus sign out of bracket, if we are going to open this, so minus a minus b, sign changes. Similarly, we are applying negative sign out of this equation, so sign of this equation changes. Same concept here also. Apply this concept to understand. So 3x gets cancelled. So what remains? 0x minus 9y plus 5y is minus 4y is equal to 24 minus 16 is 8. So therefore, minus 4y. Hope you have understood this minus 4y. Why minus 4y? Because sign of the largest coefficient is minus. So minus 4y is equal to 8. So I hope you can, if you want to understand, you can again go through these steps. What I've done, I've made the coefficients same. And after that, the coefficient with opposite sign gets cancelled. Here, minus 9y plus 5y give me answer minus 4y. 24 minus 16 give me answer 8. Now I'm taking minus 4 to right hand side. So 4 1s are 2s are, minus sign remains. So this is minus 2. So I got y as minus 2. Y equal to minus 2. Substituting this value. Substituting y equal to -2 in any of the equations. So what do you say? What do you select to substitute? You can select any equation. You'll be getting the answer. No issue. This time I'll be selecting equation number 2. So substituting y equal to -2 in equation 2. We get x. Equation is x minus 3y. So value of y is -2. Substitute is equal to what? 8. Therefore, x minus minus plus, so plus 6 is equal to 8. Therefore, x is equal to taking 6 to that side. So it becomes -6, which is 2. So we got x as x is equal to 2. Therefore, x is equal to 2 and y is equal to -2 is the solution of equation 1 and equation 2 simultaneously. So done. So we have completed the problems, 2 different problems, in which in first problem we have added after making the coefficient of y variable same because they were having opposite sign, and in second they were having same sign, so we have subtracted. So now we can solve any type of this problem. So let's do one more problem and then we will conclude. Let's start with the question number 3rd, 5th one. Remaining problems you have to do it by yourself. It's very easy. Just understand the concept and execute. If you want to check whether the given solution that you got is correct or not, you can substitute in the equation, in any of the equation, and check whether you're getting right hand side or not. So this is the way to check whether the solution you're getting is correct or not. This we will see here in this example. So solution 5. Given equations are 2x plus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0. We can write it as, that is 2x plus 3y is equal to taking 4 to that side, so it becomes -4. This is my equation number 1. And x minus 5y is equal to 11. This is my equation number 2. So now here, it's on us. Either it's very simple. If we take or multiply 2, so it will become similar to the problem that we have done now. So now I will be making coefficient of that variable same, which is bit having 2 different coefficients. For example, y. Here I'm having 3, here I'm having -5. I will be multiplying first equation by 5 and second equation by 3. So that means we are finding its LCM. LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. So we have to get 15 at this place, means as a coefficient of y. What we should do? We should multiply. In order to get 15, we should multiply equation 1 with 5 and equation 2 with 3, so that there in the sense coefficient of y will become same. So multiplying equation 1 by 5 on both side we get 5 into 2x plus 3y is equal to 5 into minus 4. So just say the answer. 5 2s are 10x plus 5 3s are 15y is equal to 5 into minus 4 is minus 20. This is my equation number 3, say. Now multiplying equation 2 by what number? 3. On both sides we get what do we get? 3 into x minus 5y is equal to 3 into 11. So hope you have written this. So after multiplying, your multiplication gets distributed in the sense 3 into x, answer is 3x minus 15y, 3 into 5, and sign as it is. 15y is equal to 33. This is my equation number 4. So now we can see that equation 3 and equation 4. Now this is of the form we have done our first simultaneous equation today. Variable having opposite sign. So what we need to do now? We need to adding equation. Adding equation 3 and 4. We get, what do we get? (10x plus 15y is equal to minus 20 added to 4th, that is 3x minus 15y is equal to 33. Just add them. This is 13x. This is terms with opposite sign gets cancelled. So plus 0y is equal to 33 minus 20. As we are adding, there will be no change in sign. 33 minus 20 is 13. So 13x is equal to 13. So therefore, x is equal to 13 upon 13. So therefore, value of x is equal to 1. Now substituting this x equal to 1 in any of the equations. Say I will be substituting in equation number, what do you say? 2. Okay. Substituting x equal to 1 in equation 2, we get value of x is 1. So 1 minus 5y is equal to 11. So therefore, minus 5y is equal to 11 minus 1, which is 10. So therefore, y is equal to 10 upon minus 5. 1s are 2s are. So y equal to minus 2. So therefore x is equal to 1 and y is equal to -2 is the solution of equation 1 and equation 2. So we have completed practice set 5.1 today. So next time we'll start with the new concept of the same chapter. So we will stop here. Hope you have understood. Thank you, everyone. Hello.